Getting your finances in order is similar to starting a successful business. It can be a decades-long endeavor that necessitates planning, skill, patience, and a dash of luck. The proverbial millionaire next door is a 20-year-long success story. Given the long road ahead, you have every reason to begin now. Have a plan. Financial security will not happen by chance, and it will not happen overnight. You must approach your life with a long-term strategy comprised of a series of short-term actions and goals. Just as businesses have quarterly goals, annual revenue targets, and 5-year business plans. Success rarely happens by chance. You must have a strategy. Invest in yourself. Businesses that want to grow invest in themselves. Individuals are subject to the same logic. An investment in education can provide an opportunity to increase your potential lifetime earnings before you even begin your career. Going to college or a trade school can provide you with knowledge and credentials that will make you a more appealing and well-paid member of the workforce. Consider starting a business if your circumstances or personal interests make education an appealing option for you. Successful businesses have been founded by entrepreneurs from all walks of life. Working for yourself can provide more fulfillment, more money, and more control over your job stability than working for someone else. Remember that investing in yourself is not a one-time event. Consider it from a business standpoint. Investments in infrastructure and physical plants are ongoing parts of the business. Keeping up with the times and the competition is an important part of running a successful business and of building and growing the business to the next level. Looking at the situation from a personal standpoint. If you have a bachelor's degree, returning to school in your mid-career can boost your credentials and help you keep up with the competition. If you have a skill, furthering your education can lead to new opportunities. Adding a new skill or designation, regardless of your profession, can increase your revenue-generating opportunities. If you own a business, starting a new sideline can expand your market opportunities. If you don't own a business, moonlighting in your 40s can provide a second source of income to supplement your primary job. Learning new skills is an investment that should be made throughout your life. Extend your horizons. Keep an eye out for chances. Even after retirement, you can continue to expand your skill set. Not only is a second career often more fulfilling than the first, but it can also provide a revenue stream that truly makes your golden years golden. Even if you've achieved tremendous success and no longer require employment, you can continue to invest in yourself by expanding your knowledge base. Learning about your investment portfolio, for example, can be a fun and profitable endeavor. There is no better motto in an age of scandal than trust but verify. Get out of debt. Debt management is essential for any successful business, and there's a reason why the phrase, cash is king. Break the mold. Don't go into debt in the typical consumer way. Most people's ability to pay for an education and a primary residence in cash is limited. Furthermore, if you cannot pay in cash, do not make the purchase. In terms of education and home ownership, pay off the education first. When it comes to the house, don't go overboard. Purchase only what you can afford and pay it off as soon as possible. Forget about the advice about good and bad debt. All debt is harmful. There is a long list of financially strapped investors who had supposedly brilliant and foolproof ideas about going into debt in order to invest the money in investments that would earn a higher rate of return than the cost of the interest rate to service the debt. If you are an entrepreneur, debt may be a necessary tool. Putting your money into an appreciating asset is different than using debt to fund a new car, vacation, or wardrobe. Paying interest on consumer goods is simply a waste of money and undermines your financial foundation. Investing in your business is a way to increase your potential revenue. Find a like-minded partner. Getting married can provide a significant financial boost to your life. Of course, many marriages have ended in divorce due to financial issues. Shared values are essential for success. While it may not sound romantic, having the same financial outlook will go a long way toward ensuring a secure financial future as well as a happy marriage. There aren't many divorced couples who complain about their financial security, debt-free status, and success. Consider the financial aspects of marriage in the same way that you would a business. Plan and spend money together. Big-ticket purchases should not come as a surprise to either partner. Make debt and credit decisions as a group. If one member of the team opens credit cards and the other member works 2 jobs to pay off the debts, the team is doomed. Save as a group. Set a goal of living on one income while paying off debts with the other. Once you've paid off your debts, live on your lower income and invest the rest. Be patient. Things go wrong for good people. Even with the best laid plans, setbacks occur. Jobs are lost, investments fail, and tragedy strikes in various ways. Please be patient. Don't let minor setbacks detract from your long-term objectives. Adopt the mindset and lifestyle described in these 5 points, and you'll be well on your way to securing your financial future. While the journey is long and the road is not always easy, remember to stop and appreciate what you have. Taking time to celebrate small victories will help you stay on track in the long run. Every success, no matter how small, should be celebrated. After all, you worked for it.